This video is going to show you guys how to use a ratio table to solve a word problem. Notice I'm going to have my calculator open because for this assignment we do not need to show multiplication or division. We can use our calculator. Our table is started for us, labeled already with the two things we're comparing, tacos and price. First thing I'm going to do in my table is write the information we are given. So we are told in the information 4 tacos cost $6. A ratio table does not need to count in order like our double number line. So then the next set of numbers can be what this question is asking us to solve for. So in the column for price in dollars, I want to know how many tacos I can get for $18. In a ratio table, you can multiply or divide. I want to know a ratio that is equivalent to 4 to 6 when I have 18 as my second value. If I'm not sure what that value is, I can use my calculator, and if I do 18 divided by 6, that tells me that I'm multiplying by 3. Okay, so 6 times 3 gives me 18. And just like if we were creating an equivalent fraction, whatever we do to one of the numbers, we need to also do to the second one. So the number of tacos is 4 times 3. So for question A, we can get 12 tacos for $18. Part B is going to require us to do an extra step. So in my table, I want to know how much it would cost for 10 tacos. Looking at the values in my table, I know I can't multiply or divide 4 or 12 evenly to get 10. So what I'm going to do is find my unit cost, the amount for one taco first. The unit cost is taken by taking the price of any item and dividing it by how many you're buying. So in my table, I could do $6 divided by 4 tacos. Again, I'm going to use my calculator for this. So 6 divided by 4 tells me one taco costs $1.50. Once you have the cost of one taco, it is really easy to then find the cost of any other value. So if I'm writing this as a fraction, and I'm going to put a Lego, one taco costs $1.50. $1.50, and I want to know the price of 10. So going from 1 to any number can be done by multiplying by itself, and again whatever I do on one of my numbers I do on the other. So $1.50 times 10. $1.50 times 10 gives me the cost of $15 here. And that is using a ratio table to solve a ratio application problem.